my name is Fern Marcus. I'm the founder of Regine Tweezers Switzerland. Thank you so much for joining me today. I kind of just want to talk to everyone about something I think we all kind of struggle with, and that is shaping our brows, maintaining them, filling them in so they kind of look natural. And I think it's something that so many of us struggle with. And I have some really good little beauty hacks that I think was really going to help. So first thing is getting the shape of your brow correct. And what I think it's hard for a lot of us to do, because it's hard to get the perspective on yourself. Like, I can look at someone else's brows and tell you what you have to do, but on me, it's hard for me to see. I like when someone uses a tweezer to shape your brows. I don't love waxing because it's really not great for the delicate eye area, the skin around your eye. Once that hair starts growing in, you want to keep that shape. So super, super important, get a really good brow brush. So what I like to do is kind of just brush up on your hair so you can kind of really see, define your shape, and you see what's growing in. So always brush. The next step is critical, is invest in a really good pair of tweezers. So our tweezers are the ones that will pull that hair out from the root precisely one at a time, and that's what you want to do. You want to get one hair at a time. Don't rush it, do it slowly, constantly check the mirror. So this tweezer, this is our slant tip tweezer. The tip alignment is perfect on that tweezer. We do an etching on the interior of the tips. It is surgical grade stainless steel, so they never wear out. You never have to sanitize it. You never have to sharpen them. This is going to be a lifetime tweezer, and the tension is perfect, so it's really easy to use. So as that hair starts coming in, you're just going to easily remove it and get that hair so you keep the shape. So always invest in a really good pair of tweezers, and incidentally, we do offer a lifetime guarantee, so last tweezer you ever have to get. So I recommend a great, a cuticle scissor and a good, we actually carry this one. This is Japanese steel, which is one of the finest steels out there, really precise. So, once your hair starts looking a little unruly, gradually cut a little bit at a time so you really keep that shape. And I just love having a great pair of cuticle scissors is just lifesaver. You get a hangnail, you have to cut your nail, you get a split end, whatever it is, it's great to have a really good quality scissor. Is fantastic, life-changing. Alrighty, let's talk about brow filler. That is everything. I think especially, I know I'm almost 50, as you get older, it's the brow hair gets really sparse. I mean, I have a goatee coming in, but my brow hair is getting very, very sparse. So I love Wonder Brow. So what you're going to do, you're going to apply it on your brows. Always remember, you kind of want to ombre it. You never want to go too heavy where your brow begins, because you look like the evil version of yourself. Just play in the mirror and really get the hang of it. So I love it. So you're going to apply it onto your brow, and then use your brow brush, and you kind of brush up and fill it in. It is if you have no makeup on, you want your brows done, because it changes your expression. You look complete, you look finished, it frames your face. Lastly, what I love is using a good concealer highlighter. I like to put a little bit up on the brow bone. A very good precise concealer brush, sort of define, outline your brow with a really good highlighter. So I love doing that, just to sort of go. I even use it almost as a base for eyeshadow as well. Define your brows, blend it out, and it makes such a huge difference. So these are my beauty tips, and if you follow us on Instagram at Regine Tweezers, please share your beauty tips. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. We'll learn from each other, and trying to figure out my brows, and I'm so glad that you're able to join me. Happy tweezing, everybody, and have a great day. Bye-bye.